may not even notice it, but civil engineering is all around you and affects your everyday life. In many ways, you don't even think of it. There are 5 major categories in civil engineering, including structural, environmental, geotechnical, water resources, and water transportation.
Engineering is hidden in plain sight throughout our community. As you walk through the city, you may bump into a mid-high-rise building or a parking garage. You may not know, but all these structures are built through projects created by civil engineers. An arena, for example, is a complex building that uses beams and columns to make sure its structure is sturdy. Another common project civil engineers take on is developing bridges that may last a decade longer than its previous. Engineers also develop more efficient ways to construct longer-lasting structures using trusses, a diagonal beam used in.
Another facet of civil engineering is water resources. Water resources are incorporated into the community for many purposes. One of the main ones would be for drinking water. Another one is to control excess water and runoff, like storm drains. Improving the functionality of your home is another key aspect of water resources. Water is also used to make needed products that you use in your daily lives, like household cleaners.
Transportation is one of the more seen types of civil engineering. It is easy to see a traffic sign or a parking lot on the roads while you're driving, and you've definitely seen a traffic light. Transportation is extremely important, not only used to move people, but goods as well. The most commonly used way to transport goods are railroads and freight trucks. Civil engineering helps transportation by doing calculations to ensure that the roads and pathways are safe.
Environmental engineering is what keeps our world healthy and our ecosystem clean. Things such as air filters help keep the air we breathe clean of any pollution. Things like waste disposal can be divided into 2 categories: plastics and paper, which get put into recycling containers, and general garbage, which goes into a dumpster. Rivers are also an important aspect environmentally. They carry water to and from places for use. Swales are also important because they help cool areas off because of the shade they provide. Last but not least, geotechnical engineering deals with soil and rock behavior. While this may not seem important, it contributes to our society through things such as asphalt pavement, which is what you drive or walk on a lot of the time, and subsurface rock and soil. It's important to know about this so that the ground below structures is sturdy and won't collapse.